Welcome to Ray Creators Lab. In this video, I will show you how to use Veed.io to create stunning videos. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, this video is for you. So, make sure you watch this video to the end to ensure you get all the value in this video. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that before. Also, like and share this video. Veed.io is a platform that allows you and your team to create professional videos using the power of AI. In Veed, you have everything you need, all in one place. So, you can create, collaborate, and share great videos directly in your browser. Create pro-looking videos effortlessly with Veed editing tools. Make more videos faster with high-quality AI avatars. You can easily record yourself or your screen, edit and share with anyone. Select from over 2 million video and audio assets from royalty-free stock library. Seamlessly work as a team with smart collaboration tools and controls. You can host your videos with Veed's powerful embeddable player. Veed's AI video generator makes your content more engaging and create videos from text prompts. To get started, follow the link I have added in the description below and click on Start for free. Next, create an account by signing up with your email. Once that is done, you will be taken to your dashboard where you have the options of either creating a new project by uploading an existing video and editing it. You can capture your screen, webcam, or slides. You can create an avatar of yourself, clone your voice and face. You can also create short videos from a long one by using the Create Clip option. There is also the option of translating your video to different languages. And finally, you can create video by simply providing your prompt and the AI will use the text to generate the video for you. To use the Record Video option, simply click on it and you will be taken to this interface where you are asked what you would love to record. Choose any of the following to start recording your video: camera, audio, screen and camera, or slides and camera, slides. One of the features I love so much about Veed.io is the templates. In case you don't want to start your creation from the scratch, you can easily choose from the numerous templates. Simply click on the template you want to use, then click on Start Editing. So, that's it. Start creating your videos using Veed.io by following the link in the description below.